When you have your headset on, I then, as the instructor, take this laptop and I have one central device that I can utilize with all of the headsets. All of the headsets can see what I'm showing them in the virtual classroom.
Immersive virtual tours can be used to train students, technicians, and new employees, or to show your space to customers and investors.
The Motherboard Scanner uses multiple cameras and sensors to capture 360-degree photos. The scanner is activated through an app that scans 360-degree panoramas in 6 segments lasting roughly 20 seconds.
The Scan Pro HD is a structured light 3D scanner that creates 3D models of real-world objects for use in virtual and augmented reality scenarios. The Scan Pro HD comes with this modular design color pack for creating textured 3D models that, when rendered, can be immediately imported into 3D software, creating a smoother workflow for our AR/VR team.
We have various virtual reality headsets, including HTC Vive, Oculus, and Pico River kits. Our monitor stations allow trainers to see what trainees are interacting with in their VR headsets.